All right, here we are. We made it to the top of this overlook, and in back of Rini are the Marble Mountains, including the Black Marble Mountain in the distance, and the White Marble Mountains closer up. And now we're just looking around, 360 degrees. What a view. Oh my gosh. Oh, and there are those snow peaks in the background. We are going to get to see Mount Shasta, I believe. Look at that. There it is, Mount Shasta. All right. Yay. Zoom in on Mount Shasta.
Well,
we did it. Another view of Shasta.
And sky-high valleys.
Oh, and down below is Sky Valley. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh yeah. Down there's Sky High Valley.
Lovers Camp is...
And Lovers Camp, okay. Lovers Camp is down through that valley. And here we are. Oh, we're coming back on Rini again. She's up here at the very top. Yay, Rini and Bob have done it.